Let's solve this together. It says 6 raised to power x plus 3 is equal to 432. Okay, how do we solve this? Now, first things first, we can say that when you have plus in indices, it means multiplication. So we have 6 raised to power x multiplied by 6 raised to power 3 to be equal to 432 is same thing as 6 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2. Okay, now from here we can say that 6 raised to power 3 can cancel out on both sides. Alright, so that we have 6 raised to power x to be equal to 2. Okay, now from here we say let's take the logarithm of both sides. Now the logarithm you're taking in both sides is the logarithm in the base of the number carrying x. So logarithm in base 6 of both sides. Okay, so we now have this and this. Now recall that when we have logarithm of a raised to power b, it's equal to b multiplied by logarithm of a. Applying the same law here, we now have x multiplied by logarithm of 6 to base 6 is equal to logarithm of 2 to base 6. Okay, logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So we have that our x is equal to logarithm of 2 to base 6. And this now becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.